Hi kids. Hi everyone. How you all are doing kids? Happy Pongal to everyone kids. So today is this most auspicious day of Pongal. Yes kids. So are you all enjoying this festival? Do you all know about this festival kids? This is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu, right kids? Yes, and on this very day, the sun god is worshipped, right kids? Yes. So kids, do you all know anything about Pongal? Yes kids? Do you have any experiences of this beautiful festival kids? You can just write your answers in the comment box kids. Yes kids, so today is this very beautiful day of Pongal, right kids? So on this very day, what you all do on this day to enjoy this festival, just write below, okay kids? So I would really like to know what you all do on this festival. So kids, on this festival, do you know what all things happen? Like I can see those beautiful cows are decorated, their horns are decorated, right? And the houses are decorated with beautiful rangolis and columns, right kids? So this is such a beautiful festival, right kids? Yes, so today we are also going to make something very beautiful. Yes kids, so are you all excited for today's session? Okay, I can see those bright and smiling faces. Okay, it is really great kids that you all are ready to draw and paint. So kids, today I am just going to teach you a very beautiful greeting card, okay? Okay kids? So you all just focus on the tutorial, okay? And just draw with me, okay kids? So are you all ready? Okay. So I can see some of my little artist friends still joining in. So let's wait for them and then we will start our session, okay? Yes kids. So just let me know what you all do on this very special day of Pongal. I myself really love to decorate the cows. Yes kids, I really love to decorate the cows and I really love cows, you know kids. So today the cows are really going to look very beautiful. Yes kids. And today sun god is also going to be very happy because you know today the people they just offer sweets and so many type of fruits to the sun god. Yes kids, so today we will be also offering something to sun god, but how we will offer kids? Through drawing. Yes kids, we will be just drawing some fruits and some flowers for sun god, okay kids? So are you all ready? Okay, so I can see most of my little artist friends have joined. So what are you waiting for? Let's start our session. Yes kids, okay, so I am just starting in my session and just you all just become ready, okay kids? So I am just shifting to the workstation. So kids, for this session you need an A4 size and A3 size paper, okay? And you can just fold it into A4 just like a greeting card, okay? You will get this kind of greeting card, okay? On this we will be making our drawing, okay kids? So everybody, let's remember the sun god and just start our drawing, okay kids? So just fold the paper properly. Kids, you might be I am just now introducing you to the materials kids. So you will be needing, for this session you will be needing A4 an A3 size paper which you will be folding into A4, okay? And then you will be needing some sketch pens or oil pastels, okay? And then you will be needing some lady fingers, okay? You will be needing some lady fingers. You will be needing some tissue paper, then your pencil, your eraser and your sharpener, okay, and your cutter, okay. And kids, you need your palette, some poster colors, a container and a thick brush to put your paint into the palette, and a circular you need a circular cup or a like this kind of vessel through which you can just draw a round circle, okay kids. You can also use a compass, but you can also take the lid of a container, or you can also take this kind of vessel, okay. So just like, see kids, I am just having this container, this small container, so you can also take any round circle container, okay. So now I am just starting my session, kids. Okay kids, so now I am just ready to start. So first of all kids, I will be just drawing our sun god, okay kids. So I am just placing my round container just in the center of my page, okay. Just in the center of my page I have kept my round container, okay. And so now I will be just drawing my circle, okay kids. So let's draw the circle. So I have drawn my circle. So this is my sun, okay kids. This is my sun. And now I am taking my small circle, my small lid, okay. And now I will be just making another small circle just here, okay. You can just take any cover of the bottle or something like that, and so just take it, and then you just need to draw a small circle just behind the sun, okay. So I have drawn my small circle, okay. And now kids, I will be drawing two small lines, okay. Just in this place I will be drawing two lines, okay. Over on the circular, on the circle I will be just drawing these two lines, okay. Everybody please draw these two lines, okay. Have you all drawn the line kids? And then after drawing the line, I will be just drawing an oval, okay. I've drawn this oval. Everybody please draw the oval kids. After drawing the oval, we will be making some small circles inside this, okay. Because this is our sun and we will be just offering some sweets to our sun god, okay kids. So I am just making some small little circles on this vessel, okay. So this vessel is containing sweets for my sun god, okay. So now I am just outlining this kids. Okay, now I am just drawing my vessel, outlining my vessel. Okay, now I am outline my this oval. Okay, just a big round and a small round. Okay, and then I will be making these small circles. Okay, my sweets for my sun god. Okay, small circles. Okay, and after you have outlined this, you can just erase these extra lines. Okay, just erase these extra lines, kids, and make it sure the color has like dried. Okay, clear till here, kids? And then I will be making the eyes of my sun. Okay, just made some these pupils of my sun. Now I will be just making two smaller circles inside the circle. Okay, and now I will be just coloring inside this circle. I hope, kids, you all have drawn the circles. So please draw these circles, kids. Please draw these circles, everyone. A big circle and a small circle. Okay, a big circle and a small circle. Everybody please draw the circles, kids. The bigger circle and the smaller circle. Everybody please make the circles, kid. Everybody please make the circles. Okay, and now after making the circles, just make the eyes. After making the circles, just make the eyes and these small circles inside our pot. Okay, I hope everybody is drawing, everybody is enjoying drawing. Please, kids, so please draw till here. Okay, so I hope, kids, the pot was easy for you all to draw. I have just drawn on this this circle. Okay, and then I have just drawn two lines. Okay, two lines, and then I just erase this part of the circle. It is so simple, right, kids? And then I just drew an oval, and then these small circles. Okay, so after this, we can just add some eyelashes to our sun if we want. So I just added these eyelashes to my sun god. Okay, and then I will be just drawing a U. a U. Okay, I have drawn this U, kids. Okay, so he is a god, right, kids? So I have just put it a tilak on his head. He is a god, right? He is such a powerful god. He is sun god who gives light to everyone. Yes, so I have just put a tilak on his head. Okay, just a mark on his head, and I have just written the U alphabet. Okay, and then if you want, you can just double this U. So I have just drawn my U alphabet, and then I will be just drawing two small curves for his eyebrows. Okay, kids? And then a cute smile for my sun god. Okay? Oh, my sun god looks quite happy, right, kids? So everybody please draw till this part, kids. And then I will be just drawing some zigzag lines for the sun rays. Okay? For my sun rays, I am just drawing some zigzag lines. Just draw these zigzag lines, or you can just say these are like just like triangles, right, kids? So just make these zigzag lines. Everybody please draw these zigzag lines, kids. And then I will be just coloring my sun using my yellow shade. Okay, you can just take your color pencils, crayons, pastels, anything. Okay, so I am just using my sketch pen to color my sun. Everybody can start coloring if you have finished the drawing part, kids. So I am just coloring the sun yellow. So today we are all thankful to the sun god, right, kids? What would have happened? Have you ever imagined, kids? What would have happened if there was no sun in this world? The whole world would have turned dark, right, kids? The whole world would have turned dark. So we are all so thankful to the sun, right, kids? For giving us light, energy to do all our work every day. Yes, kids. So everybody, we all are so thankful to the sun, and this Onam festival is all about giving gratitude to our sun god. So everybody please draw the sun very properly, kids. Okay? Okay, my dear artist. So just color the sun god properly. Okay? Today he is very happy and he is just ready to give all the blessings to each one of you. Okay, kids? Just finish coloring the yellow on the sun, kids. I hope everybody has finished the drawing. Everybody has finished the drawing. Okay. Okay, my dear kids. Very good. You all are going great, kids. So thank you so much, kids, for joining me today for celebrating this festival. I am so happy today that I am celebrating this festival today with you all. It is really so amazing for me, kids. So you see, kids, I am just finishing my sun, right? So I have finished coloring the sun, and now I will be just coloring his sun rays, okay? So I am just taking my yellow ochre or golden shade to color the rays. If you want, you can also color the rays with your orange shade, okay? Either you can use orange or your yellow ochre, okay? My son looks quite happy. Kids, everybody is coloring, right? Everybody is coloring. Yes, kids, please draw. And I know everybody can draw it very well. I have seen you the easy process, kids. Just a big circle and a small circle to make the pot. Okay, this is our Onam pot, okay? So just first make the big circle and then the small circle, okay? I am just finishing the sun rays. Everybody can, and I can see some of my little friends have finished coloring the yellow part, and now please start coloring the sun rays, kids. And I will be coloring his eye pupils with my blue shade, okay? See, he looks so cute. Okay. And I will be coloring his tilaka with my red shade, okay? So my sun god is now he is now looking quite cute. Yes, kids. And now we will be coloring our pot, okay? To color the pot, I am taking my brown shade, okay? I will not be coloring on the white rasgullas, my sweets, okay? Just let it remain white, okay? So now I will be just coloring this part, okay? Now I'm just coloring the pot, kids. Either you can just draw with your brown sketch pen, or you can use different color shades, okay, kids? So I am just taking my pink and my purple shade to make some designs on my pot, okay, using my zigzag lines. So I have made this design using my zigzag lines, and now I am just making this part pink. You can just design the pot in your own ways, kids, okay? Then I am making some curvy lines. And then I will be just coloring with little bit of blue. The decoration on the pot depends upon your creativity, kids. You can just decorate in your own ways, okay? I have just left this part on you. You can just decorate it in your own ways, okay? Coloring the remaining part with orange. You can just make some lines, okay? Just color this part with your orange shade. Coloring little bit of orange at the top. Okay. And now I will be coloring the bottom with my dark brown, okay? Okay, kids? You can just give some more outlines with your brown sketch pen. You can just add some zigzag lines, okay? Some decorations on the pot, okay? On our Onam pot, okay? And you can also add some dots on the pot, okay? So this is how we will be coloring the pot, okay, kids? And if you want, you can also just add your own decorations, your own creativity, okay? However you like, you can just decorate it, okay? You can just decorate the pot in your own style, okay? So this is my little offering to sun god, okay? And now I will be just taking my green sketch pen, okay? And I will be just making some harvest weeds and all, okay? Some flowers and weeds, because this is a harvest season, right, kids? So we will be just making some flowers and crops here, okay? Just right in front of the sun, okay? Just make these kind of lines, okay? Just make these kind of lines, kids. And then you can just make these kind of lines, zigzag, these kind of lines. And then what you need to do is just take your palettes, okay? And you need to take some brown shade, okay? Some brown shade and your thick brush, okay? Take the brown shade and your thick brush and just put some color on the sheet, okay? Just put some color, just put some paint on your sheet, okay? So I'm just putting some brown paint on my sheet. can use either Camlin poster paints or you can just use your Rangila poster paints. Okay, kids. Just free to use both the paints. Okay. So take enough paint so that while printing you don't need to take some more paints. Like this should be just enough for you. Okay. So I have just taken my paints and I am keeping my tissue paper also here. Okay. And I will just show you how to cut the lady finger. Okay, kids. So kids, just remember, if you are using one shade of lady finger, just try to, if you are using one shade, you can just take one lady finger to use one shade, okay? And then again, if you want to paint with another shade, then you need to take another lady finger, okay kids? So put the lady finger on the tissue paper, okay? And you should wash it well before you should wash the lady fingers before, kids, okay? And then just keep it and take your knife, okay? A knife or cutter, and during this process just take the help of your parents, okay kids? Don't cut the lady finger alone. Please take the help of your parents, okay kids? So you see, I have taken my lady finger and now I will be just cutting at the bottom of the lady finger, okay? So you see, I have cut the lady finger. You see, it will look like this, okay kids? So with this we will be just doing our printing, okay? So now I am just taking my lady finger, okay? And I am dipping the lady finger on my brown shade, okay? And then I will be just first of all I will just dip off, I will be just shedding the extra paint on my tissue paper, okay? And then I will be just doing the printing, okay? These are my crops ready for the harvest season. You see kids how I am getting the prints. Yeah, just after making some prints you will be just getting this kind of effect, okay? You see this nice print we will be just getting just after some printing, okay? So just start the printing process, kids. Everybody start printing. This is how you will be doing the printing, kids. I hope you all have understood how to do the printing. Yes, kids? So just do the printing like this, kids. Dab the lady finger properly on your palette, and then on the tissue paper, and then on your paper, okay? Press it hardly so that you can get a nice impression. So this is how you will be doing the printing, okay kids? Stab it well, then just start printing. I hope you all are enjoying this session, kids. I hope everybody is enjoying. My sun god is quite happy because you see we have offered him so many flowers and crops and everything is just flowing in front of him. I hope you all are printing, kids. Have you all started the printing process? Please everybody please print till this part, kids. Everybody has done. Everybody has finished, kids, till this part. I can see some of my little friends just trying out their best with the printing process. Very good, kids. Everybody is going great. And I know all your sun gods are looking very cute and beautiful. Very nice, everyone, kids. So I will not be adding any more I will not be adding any more motifs, kids. Now I will be just putting some yellow shade into my crops, okay? I will be just putting little bit of yellow inside this brown part, okay? Little bit of yellow inside this brown part, okay? So everybody please color little bit of yellow inside the brown part. Little bit of yellow inside the brown part so it looks more beautiful. Okay, these are just my extra detailing kits. Okay, so just color till this part, and then I will be just adding some little grass here and there. Okay, so as we all know that this beautiful day of Onam is so auspicious, so kids, we can see very beautiful creatures on this day. Like there are so many butterflies everywhere. We can see such beautiful kites flying everywhere, and such beautiful birds flying, because it is such a beautiful sunny day, right kids? So you can just add your own elements to this artwork. Okay kids, it is all up to you. You can just try to make it as beautiful as you can. Okay, so after adding the grasses, I will be just adding some strings. Okay, some strings at the top. Okay, some strings at the top. Okay kids, just drawing some triangles or zigzag lines, you can say. To give some finishing touches to my drawing. Okay, and kids, if you want, you can also like draw some clouds here. Okay, if you want, or you can draw some small little birds flying. I'm just drawing a kite here. Strings. So you can just color the string kids. Just using my purple shade to color the string. We will be using purple and pink, okay, to color the strings. I hope it is easy for each one of you kids. I've colored the string little bit with purple, and now I'm just using little bit of pink on the string. Okay, see, it looks nice. Is it looking nice, kids? My purple and pink string at the corner, and I'm just going to do the same here. These are just my Onam decorations. Okay, you can see there is so much as decorations in the houses, right kids? At the time of Onam, there are such beautiful rangolis and such beautiful columns. Yeah, so everybody decorate their houses with beautiful rangolis, you know, and they also add some very colorful strings on their houses. So you see, now I am just decorating. my place just by adding some strings. Okay, and I am coloring my my kite with my pink sketch pen. Okay, so this festival is all about the starting of the new harvest season. So yeah, I have just made these crops at the bottom using lady fingers. Okay, so kids, I hope you all are trying this and everybody is drawing and coloring. Please put all your focus into the drawing, kids, please. So you can see I have just colored those extra like white parts with my yellow shade. Okay, here I will be just putting one string. Okay, and where I will be just writing happy Pongal. Okay, okay kids, so my card is almost ready now. Just I'm drawing some strings attached. Okay, and kids, there are many more things which you can add this, like it is all up to you. Like I can and also add a sugar cane just in the corner. Okay, because sugar canes are also a very important part, a very important element in this festival. Okay, the sugar canes. So I have just drawn my sugar canes. Okay, so my sun god now looks quite happy because we have already added most of the elements here. Yes kids, these are some extra sugar canes which I have drawn here. Okay, so kids, this is how you will be completing it. Okay kids, this is how you will be completing it. That's it kids. So I hope you all have enjoyed this session kids, and you all have understood how to color this. Yes kids, it has been easy for each one of you. Yes kids. Okay, so kids, I hope you all have enjoyed today's session, and everybody please draw this properly. Okay kids, everybody please draw this and finish it properly. Okay, So kids, everybody just show me how much you all have finished. Let me see how much you all have done. Okay, so some of my little artist friends have finished and some of my little artist friends are still left in between. It's okay kids, please take your time and finish it properly, okay? Yes kids? Okay, and I hope you all will draw very beautifully the sun and the decorations. Yes kids, please use this finger or painting technique in other greeting cards too. Okay kids, you can also make very beautiful paintings out of this technique. Okay, so please kids, try this technique everybody and just give your best. That's it. Yes kids, and just upload your paintings on the yellow class portal. Okay, yes kids, so I will be just waiting for each one of you to see your paintings. I always see your paintings and I really love them. I really appreciate them kids. You all are really very talented and you all are really very great kids. So kids, I will be just meeting you next time with a very interesting session. Okay, till then, paint well, draw well. Okay kids, bye for now. Bye everyone.